my mountain of food.
Alright, if I eat any more, I'm getting thunder down on here. So, okay. It's. Oh god, it's. Marco? No.
Oh, I ate too much. Wait.
What's your name again? I'm gonna get
Nathan.
Nathan. XYZ. Alright, it's 6:30 in Petersburg. It's 6:30 in Petersburg. It's 6:30 in Petersburg.
Alright, get Alicia off the candy train. Okay, we'll just drop you off at school now and make it work.
Are you actually gonna take that? Stop shoving it into your mouth. The bus is right there. I know, but I want to eat. I'm hungry too. Hurry up.
Thank you so much.
Hurry up, little kid. And back to the bus. Hello. Where do I sit? Oh, Miles! Why did you put icing in my back? What? I didn't put an X on your back. Icing. I know it was you. No. Guys. Why are you warning me? There's a tornado. What? Is that tornado?
No, it's the smoke off the power plant.
Oh.
That's a tornado!
Thank you. Can you wipe up what I have on the back? I can't do it. No, don't do that.
Don't wipe your face with it, wipe his back off.
Oh. Exactly. Where do I have that whip? Yo, how did I even get that?
Swells.
Yo, that's messed up. What?
Don't leave me.
I have cream all over my back.